Hello guys, welcome to Innovative channel to watch more videos on C++ language. As we have gone through many videos on C++ language such as C++ connection to MySQL relational database, C++ connection to Postgres relational database, C++ connection to MongoDB NoSQL document oriented database, also executing MySQL query using C++ language. Today's video is really innovative and interesting, so please watch it patiently and carefully. I will be executing procedure in MySQL using C++. So let us go through in detail. First of all, header files which are needed for the program, then localhost, because my MySQL is a database is here only and my C++ is here only. User is root and database is SAM. Then command line argument, 2 is for example host, 3 is for user, 4 is for password and 5 is for db. Then string to be displayed when the output on the output. Then try and catch block are used to catch the exceptions. First of all, first statement SQL scope resolution operator driver star, it is used to create instance. Because we are connecting to the server, we need to create instance, we need to create the session. So std scope resolution operator, then unique connection with username password. Since we are connecting to the server, username password are required because connection is TCP connection, database is SAM. Then statement to execute queries in MySQL in C++. Then the calls is a statement is used to call the procedure. This is the name of procedure to be executed. I will be telling you the purpose of procedure. Then result set to display the output. Then do and do while loop is used because I don't know how many record I will be going to display. Then I will be displaying the ename, and catch block is used to catch the exception, and if successfully done, then done will be displayed. Now I will show you the database. Here table e number is there, e name is there, and salary. Remember one thing, Sachin Tendulkar is having salary 70,000 and Dhoni is having salary 67,000. I am telling that because these two guys are having higher salary rather than Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Rahul Dravid. So I will be displaying the record names of person who are having salary greater than 65,000 in my executing the procedure. So Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni name should be displayed. Now I will execute the program. Yes, compiling with G++ compiler. Compile successfully, then executing the object file. Yes, Sachin Tendulkar is displayed and Dhoni displayed who are having salary greater than 65,000. So I successfully executed procedure in MySQL using C++ language. I will be back with more videos on executing procedure and cursor and trigger using Java, PHP, C++. So watch me on sanjaymahajanyoutube.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.